Hello, iPhone photographers. My name is Jan Armour, and I'm going to be teaching a class called The Camera in Your iPhone. You know, I used to carry one of these heavy Canon cameras around. I still use it occasionally for some of my work, but most of the time I'm using the camera that's recording this video right now, my little iPhone 14 Pro Max, and it takes fabulous pictures. I'm going to teach you how. So come join the class. It's going to be a good class. Lots and lots of information on all the little bells and whistles that the camera has, all those little things that the Apple engineers hid inside your phone. Well, that'll help you take better pictures. So come join me. It's going to be a good class. That camera in your pocket, that little iPhone, is a remarkable device. A lot of things that I can share with you, tips and techniques on how to get better pictures with your iPhone. You'll learn how to create stunning landscapes. It takes dramatic architectural pictures. And it is a fabulous camera for doing close-ups. Life on the streets, oh man, this is a great camera for doing street photography. You're pretty unobtrusive with an iPhone. And it takes great night pictures. Here's a couple of live pictures that I took. And of course, we can't forget selfies. We'll talk about selfies too. Great little app. You can tweak the pictures with it. And of course, there's other apps that you can use for your phone. So learn about the cloud. Actually, two clouds, the Google Cloud and the iCloud. And the share button. Do you know about the share button? That's a magic button. Talk about the best settings. So, the camera in your iPhone, May 4th, 11th, and 18th at Salve.